In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a shopping wish list system in Notion. This tutorial will walk you through creating a simple yet powerful wish list where you can save items, track prices, organize priorities, and plan future purchases all in one central place. Whether you're shopping for personal items, gifts, or long-term goals, Notion makes it easy to stay organized and avoid impulse buying. One of the biggest advantages of using Notion is that it allows you to build personal systems. Quickly using ready-made templates, these templates save a lot of time and help. Ensure your wish list is clean, structured, and easy to maintain without starting from scratch. Instead of writing everything on notes or keeping multiple shopping apps, you can manage everything inside one workspace. To get started, log into your Notion account and go to your homepage. From there, click Marketplace. In the search bar, type Wishlist or Shopping List, and you'll see a variety of templates designed to help you get started quickly. Depending on your needs, you might find templates for shopping wish lists, gift lists, budget-friendly trackers, or purchase planning systems. Take a moment to browse the options and choose the template that best fits how you like to organize your shopping plans. Once you find a template that works for you, click the template thumbnail to preview it. Previewing the template lets you see the layout, included properties, and how items are categorized. This step is important because it ensures the template covers key details like item names, prices, store links, priority levels, categories, and purchase status. After confirming that the template meets your needs, click Add. You can add it to your personal workspace or share it with family members if you want to collaborate on shared purchases. After the template has been added, click on it to open it in Notion. Here you can customize the shopping wishlist system to match your preferences. You can rename properties, add or remove columns, insert product images or links, and set statuses like planned, waiting for sale, bought, or on hold. You can also add notes to each item to track discounts, alternatives, or reminders. The main benefit of using a template is that it gives you a ready-made structure so you can focus more on planning smart purchases instead of building the system from scratch. Over time, this helps you track spending habits, compare prices more easily, and make better buying decisions. And that's it. You've successfully built a shopping wish list system. In Notion, using a template, making it easy to keep track of items you want, stay organized, and shop more intentionally. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.